Once you have set up your ARM motor in your port on your VxCode IQ program, you should now be able to see the drivetrain, which controls the wheels of your robot, and the motion commands, which will control the arm of your robot. We're going to start by testing the arm to check that it's working properly. I'm going to drag this command out, and it will spin the arm motor forward for 90 degrees. When I download and play this program, it should look like this. If your arm went down instead of up, you might need to reverse the direction of your arm motor. You can do that by clicking on the port view, going to the arm motor, and clicking the reverse tab. If your motor or arm did not move at all, you may need to check that the axle is actually inserted into the arm motor. You can check this is working by moving the lifting arm with your hand, and you should hear the sound of the motor spinning. To allow your lifting arm to make accurate movements, you need to set and define a starting position for your arm. If you stop the program in your robot by pushing the X on the brick, you should be able to push the lifting arm down to the bottom. Once you've done that, you can choose to set your arm motor position to 0. This means that the bottom of your arm position will be set at 0. You can then choose to put this in at the start of your program and then move the arm to a specific position, maybe 90 degrees, maybe 120 degrees, and as long as you start your program with the arm on the ground, it'll always move to that position. If you want to move it back down again, we could put this bit of code into here, and we could move up to 120 degrees, and then we could move down to the 60 degree position. You might want to put some wait time in there, so we might move the arm up, we might wait for a second, and then we might move the arm back down again. When you finish testing this program, be sure to push the X on your brick so you can move the arm down to the 0 position. As long as your arm is down when you start this code, it will set the starting position to 0, and then you'll be able to accurately move it up or down to whatever position you like.